This video tutorial will show you how to register a new business in MassTaxConnect. Let's start by selecting the Register a New Taxpayer hyperlink in the Quick Links section of the MassTaxConnect homepage. Under Registration Options, we will choose Register a Business. This page provides a brief overview of how to register a new business, as well as some helpful hints. Once you have finished reading, select Next. In the drop-down, we will choose I am registering a business, organization, or other entity, and then select Next. Next, you will choose your organization type and indicate if you are a nonprofit. We will choose Corporation and indicate that we are not a nonprofit, and then select Next. You will enter the start date of your business as well as the Federal Employer Identification Number and the legal name of your business, and then select Next. On this page, you will enter the legal address of your business. Be sure to select Verify Address and choose whether or not your mailing address is the same as your legal address, and then select Next. If you want to enter your bank account info, you can do that here. Otherwise, you can enter your information once you are logged in to your MassTaxConnect account and are ready to make an electronic payment. In this example, we will not enter any information and select Next. Here, you can choose to register as many taxes as you need or just one and then register other account types later. We will choose the corporate excise tax type and then select Next. Next, you will enter both the date and the state in which your business was organized and select Next. Enter a NAICS code. For this example, since our company makes pies, we will enter bake into the keyword search and then select the search button. You will notice multiple choices appearing. We will choose the code 31181, bread and bakery product manufacturing, and then select Next. Enter your owner and officer information. You may fill out as much information as possible, but be advised that you only need to fill out what is required. Required information will be indicated by a red asterisk in the top left-hand corner of each field. Once you verify your address, select Next. On this page, we will enter the date in which you are first required to collect Massachusetts taxes. For this example, we will enter 1/1/20 and then select Next. On this page, we will create our MassTaxConnect online profile. Enter the full name of the person who will be using the account, as well as a phone number, 4-digit PIN, and email address. Once you've provided all the information, select Next. On this page, you will enter a username and password, as well as a secret question and answer, which you will use if you are having issues logging in. Once you've provided all the information, select Next. On this screen, you will be asked if you are a tax professional who needs to have access to multiple clients. Since we are not, we will leave the checkbox blank and select Next. Read the Terms of Use Agreement and check the box next to I agree when you are ready to continue. Once you have verified that all the information you have provided on each page is correct, select Submit. Make sure to print or save the information on the confirmation page for your records. You will need this information when you log in for the first time. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please check out other videos in our YouTube channel or the frequently asked questions at the bottom of every MassTaxConnect page.